You got wine on your shirt or need a tasty dessert? Want your kids on a plane or there's a smell in your drain? Broke a chair, wrecked your hair, wanna show someone you care? Come join us at the counter with Liz.
Welcome back to the counter. We're still in our quarantine series and probably will be for the foreseeable future. Today we're working on homemade face masks, which I actually never thought I'd be saying that as a craft item, but what we're finding now is that it's harder and harder to find face masks to avoid the spread of COVID-19. Therefore, we're trying to get creative in our household. Again, this is not a surgical mask and not the type you would wear in a hospital setting. This is to make sure that if you are unknowingly carrying the virus, you're not spreading it to other people. So the idea is when you go grocery shopping, or if you absolutely have to go out of the house, which I hope you don't, but if you do, it's nice enough just to throw this on, or walk out to get the mail, or wave to a neighbor. Anyway, we took a t-shirt in the process of cleaning out all of our closets. We've been getting rid of a lot of things, and one is a t-shirt. So I cut the face off of a t-shirt into roughly a square. After you've done that, you fold it until it fits across your nose and your mouth. This is for people who don't like to sew, by the way. So no complaining, because you don't even need a sewing machine for that. The second thing you need are 2 hair elastics. What you'll do is cinch the one end and pull it up over toward the center. Do the same with the other side. And once they meet in the center, you can take those hair elastics and pull them out. Voila, homemade face mask. You can also use nicer scarves, but I'm afraid we're in the t-shirt mode here. Just make sure you have at least 2 or 3 thicknesses of fabric to make it more effective. So one thing to remember about your homemade face mask is that at the end of it, you can just, at the end of wearing it, if you've gone outside, take the hair elastics off, take the cloth, and you can throw it in the bleach cycle with the washcloths we talked about before. We just keep 1 bucket just for items that will be going through a very hot cycle in the washer and dryer. And you can include the hair elastics there just to be safe. So throw it all in. If you have a lingerie bag, so much the better. You can throw it in there and these won't get lost. So there you go. We'll try and find some other things that are maybe a little more lighthearted, but this is a very useful thing to have if you can't find the mask they're asking you to wear. Thank you for joining us. See you soon.